The first time I was touched, I froze. I didn't even knew what that meant. I didn't even know what inappropriate touch means. But I knew that I did not like it and it felt wrong. It felt uncomfortable. Now school teaches kids the good touch and the bad touch, and there are all these live examples demonstrated. But back then, nobody taught us what good touch is or what a bad touch is. We just learned the hard way, through experiences. And obviously, that was awful. Trigger warning, I'm going to be sharing my uncomfortable experiences with unwanted touch, unsafe encounters, and non consensual physical contact. If this topic is triggering for you, if this makes you feel heavy, or if this makes you feel difficult, then please choose your comfort first and skip this video. I want to talk about this and share my experience because I want to create awareness. And before this, I've never spoken about this out loud in public, live on camera. Only few of my girlfriends know. And that day, I was just talking to one of my friends, and she told me how, she has this neighbor, who has this little kid. She is, like 4 years old or something, going to school. And my friend, she was talking to that little girl, and that little girl was telling my friend how in her school, they're teaching now the good touch and bad touch, and what to do if somebody touches you this way, that way, what actions can you take, what are the helplines, measures, and everything. And I was just telling my friend, that back then, when we were in school, we barely even knew about it, and it's very unfortunate that a lot of us realized what a good touch is or what a bad touch is through such shallow experiences. So that's why I was like, what, I need to talk about it, because till this date, many choose to avoid it or not talk about it because it is so uncomfortable. And me, now also, when I am telling you guys, I feel embarrassed, although I know it's not my mistake, but I still feel very embarrassed talking about it. I know that my friends are gonna watch it, my colleagues are gonna watch it, my family is gonna watch it, and half of them are gonna be like, "Why is she talking about this online? Like, what's wrong with her?" But I'm like, what? It's now or never, and that's why I want to tell you guys what's happening. And this has just been on my head for a while, and I was like, let me just spill it out. So the first instance happened when I was a kid. It was my neighbor. I've already made another video on this where I talk about how my neighbor was, used to give unwanted attention to younger girls and everything. So the first experience was with him. I remember we used to play, and we used to like play hide and seek, me and my other friends and everything. And he had this bad habit of just groping girls, touching them, kissing them on their cheeks and lips and everything. And just that person made me very uncomfortable. Like, people say that kids don't understand things, but we do understand when we don't like something. And every time when he used to visit home or he used to visit the playground or something like that, he used to come and just grab me by my waist and try to kiss my cheek and my lip and everything. And it was so uncomfortable. And I'm a very reactive person. So even as a kid, I had this habit that if I did not like somebody's presence or somebody touching me, I used to yell, I used to push. I was very aggressive like that. So whenever he tried these stunts on me, I used to just push him, yell, scratch his face and everything. And he used to always tell my parents that how your kid is so violent, so aggressive, she needs to be tamed and everything. But I know that feeling, when he did that, and I used to feel so gross. And it happened with my other friends with whom I used to play, and we all used to be like, we don't like it, it's because we were kids, but we knew that it was not right. And I used to just avoid him. So whenever he was around, I used to never be there. I used to run. I did not want to have any sort of confrontation with this person. I thought that was it. After this, no other instances as such would happen, because there are very few bad people in the world. But I was wrong, because the second instance happened right in my family. Now, I am not comfortable telling who that person is, because as I said, both my maternal and my paternal family, they watch this video, and I'm not yet ready to let anybody know who it is. But this person, he is a family member, and oh my god, I'm telling you guys, the sight of this person creeps me out and it makes me so angry. I get so frustrated because even now when I talk about him, it gives me the ick, you know. I just feel disgusted. And then I remember one afternoon, everybody was sleeping and I was watching TV and he was like, everybody's sleeping, you know, even you should go to sleep. And I'm like, no, I don't want to sleep. I want to watch cartoon. And he was like, no, you come to sleep. And he tried to hug me and tried to put me to sleep besides him, and obviously I could smell he was so drunk and he was reeking of sweat and alcohol, and I was like, what is this man trying to do, you know? And he was trying to be like, you know, he was trying to make me face towards him so that, you know, there is less proximity between us. And he's trying to hug, and I knew that he was trying to kiss because before that the same my neighbor was also trying the same thing. So I realized that what this person is trying to do, if he's trying to touch her, it's not a good touch, you know. And I got so angry and I yelled and I'm like, what are you trying to do? Don't do this. I want to watch TV. Why are you putting me to sleep? Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? And I was yelling and he tried to shush me, saying that, oh, this kid, she's so dramatic, she's so naughty, she's so mischievous, you know, she needs to be silenced. She can't just keep yelling like that, you know, being a girl who yells like that. I was just trying to put her to sleep because she was watching TV and she was disturbing. I want to go to sleep. I want others to sleep and everything. And I'm pretty sure everybody sensed what happened, but nobody reacted, you know. And I'm sorry I'm laughing, but when I get uncomfortable, I laugh, you know, that's my coping mechanism. So I'm sorry if you're bothered by that. Then this third incident happened when, you know, I was a teenager. I remember this was the first time I was traveling by a bus. I'm noticing this man, he's staring at everyone, and he's not some kid, okay? He's a grown ass person who could almost be my father's age, okay? Now, unfortunately, उसका नज़र मेरे पे पड़ता है, and that's what I was hoping कि उसका नज़र मेरे पे नहीं पड़े, okay? Now I can see from my peripheral that he's staring at me, he's checking me out and everything. I am so uncomfortable. I'm like, oh, like, I'm at this phase in my life where I'm very angry. Okay, I have this temperament, and there was this phase in my life where, you know, in school I had picked up fights. I used to hit the bullies and everything. So I was very temperamental and I was very physically aggressive. Okay, so I was constantly telling that if he does anything, God forbid, I'm gonna smash him. I'm gonna smash this person. Like I am not gonna just. I can't stand this, okay? अब क्या होता है, बस ब्रेक मारता है एंड ये डेलिबरेटली मेरे पे गिरता है एंड मैं क्विकली रिएक्ट करके ऐसे घूम के देखती हूँ एंड आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट हिम लाइक दैट एंड ही इज लाइक, अरे बस है, रश है, धक्का लगेगा ही, क्या करूँ, आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो आप आगे जाओ, ऐसा करो वैसा करो. आई डोंट अटर अ सिंगल वर्ड. I just want to go home. I just want to get the fuck out of here, okay? At this point he's behind me. I can feel his breath, okay? And he is trying to press his lower body against my ass. I am like, what the hell is this? And I can feel him. I was like, this is a mistake. Probably it's his bag or something like that. It's some other thing, you know. But no, it was not his bag. It was his, you know what. I'm like, you know what, this can't be happening. I move thoda forward. ये और मेरे पीछे आ जाता है. And at this point, he's pressing it against my body. I wait, I breathe, and I freeze. This is the time जब मेरा दिमाग मुझे कह रहा है कि सोनाली, hit him, punch him, but my body is not reacting. For 10 minutes I'm just like that while he's feeling me there. After 10 minutes I come back to my senses and I react so aggressively. I just take my hand like that and I hit him with all the force. And one thing about me is when I get angry, I get this adrenaline rush in my body and I get strong. I don't know how, but I do get strong. मैंने उसको इतना जोर से मारा कि at this point उसका nose से खून आ रहा है. And he's angry. Everybody in the bus, they're just looking at me and he's angry and he's like, मारा क्यों मुझे? एंड आई एम लाइक आपको नहीं पता आप क्या कर रहे थे 10 मिनट से, एंड ही इज लाइक बस है, क्राउड है, मैं जानबूझ के नहीं कर रहा था, मैं 2 इंच दूर खड़े रहो वरना वापस मारूंगी मैं। एंड ही वाज लाइक मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है, ये सब फालतूगिरी मत करो, हाथ मेरे भी है, मेरे भी हाथ चल जाते, मैंने तो हाथ भी नहीं लगाया, देखो मैं तो बस का ये हैंडल पकड़ रहा हूँ, क्या बात कर रहे हो। नो आई कांट स्क्रीम लाउडली एंड टेल दैट ही वाज रबिंग हिज बॉडी अगेंस्ट माइन। And what was hurting is that nobody in the bus opened their mouth, asked me what happened beta, what this man is up to. अब इसके बाद मैं आगे जाती हूँ थोड़ा और, एंड अभी उतरने का टाइम आता है। ओके अब जब उतरने का टाइम आता है आई रियलाइज कि इसको भी यही प्लेस में उतरना है। नाउ आई एम स्केर्ड बिकॉज व्हाट इफ ही गेट्स डाउन एंड ही डज समथिंग, यू नो, बिकॉज आई एम आल्सो स्केर्ड। गुस्से में तो मैंने मार दिया, बट व्हाट इफ ही डज समथिंग लाइक दैट। सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग एंड आई एम वेरी केयरफुल। ओके अभी उतरना है, फिर डज समथिंग, मेरा पूरा फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मोड एक्टिवेट हो चुका है। अब उतरने का टाइम यू गेट द पुश, राइट, पीपल आर पुशिंग, उतरो उतरो, किसी को भी लाइन में रुकने का नहीं है, सबको धक्का वक्का मार के, रैट रेस है, उतरो उतरो करके। यू नो व्हाट ही डज, आई वाज होपिंग दैट ही विल प्रोबब्ली फाइट और हिट मी एंड यू नो मे बी आई कैन जस्ट पंच हिम बैक। ही ग्रैब्स मी tightly, so tightly that it hurted me. इतना जोर से he grabbed and then he got down of the bus and he ran and I was screaming. I was like इसने मुझे हाथ लगाया, इसने मुझे हाथ लगाया, इसने मुझे हाथ लगाया, and nobody cared. They were pushing me out of the bus कि उतरो उतरो, like you know people were like we don't give a damn about him touching you, we want to get out of the bus, you know. I get down from the bus and everybody is staring at me. And I start crying and then people around are like, people who were there down, they were like what happened, and I was like this man, he touched me, he ran. They were like who it is. They were reactive, you know, they were the good people. They were like let us find him, and I was like no, he ran and he disappeared into thin air. इसके बाद का जो इंसिडेंट होता है, this is when you know I was giving my 10th boards and you know मेरा स्कूल 1 बजे दोपहर को खत्म होता था और उसके बाद मैं ट्यूशंस के लिए निकलती थी एंड आई यूज्ड टू मीट फ्यू ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स और हम लोग साथ में ट्यूशंस के लिए जाते थे, ठीक है। द फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज जब मैं जा रही थी वहाँ पे आई वाज यू नो मी एंड माय फ्रेंड्स वी वर फॉलोड बाय दीज बंच ऑफ गाइज हु वर ऑफ सेम एज। ओके दे यूज्ड टू फॉलो अस, उसमें से कुछ लोग थोड़े बड़े थे एज में एंड दे यूज्ड टू फॉलो अस एवरी डे। दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक अरे नंबर दो ना यू नो एंड सेइंग थिंग्स लाइक अरे एक किस एक नंबर दो, एंड आई वाज लाइक how do you get the audacity to say such things out of your mouth? Like who do you think you're talking to? Like what is this, you know? And we used to always yell at them, abuse them and tell them to fuck off, get lost, but these boys used to not understand. We thought it's just a temporary thing, you know, and that's how normalized we thought things are कि चलो ये तो होता ही रहता है, लड़की है तो लोग छेड़ेंगे, you know. After a point it got so scary because these guys understood कि हम लोग कितने बजे घर से निकलते थे, कौन से लेन से जाते थे एंड कहाँ ट्यूशंस जाते थे, and they used to wait outside the tuitions exactly at this particular time and we understood that and we were like oh my god, like he understood कि you know हम लोग कितने बजे ट्यूशन से निकल रहे हैं and what time we have to go home and everything, and every day he used to follow us, every day we used to tell them to get lost, threaten them, shout at them, yell at them, try to intimidate them, but they used to just laugh at us, you know, thinking what else these girls can do. एक दिन क्या होता है, मैं और मेरे एक फ्रेंड आफ्टर ट्यूशन हम लोग खड़े रहते हैं एक शॉप के वहाँ पे सैंडविच खाने के लिए, and this guy, the you know there are these bunch of guys who are following us, right? उसमें से जो एक लड़का है, the main guy, साइकिल कर रहा है, purposely cycling in that place where we are standing and having sandwich, and we are very bothered by that because यार शांति से सैंडविच खाने भी नहीं दे रहा आदमी हमें, and what he does, वो जानबूझ के साइकिल फुल स्पीड में लेके आके मेरी फ्रेंड को डैश करता है। Now my friend is injured, उसका पूरा ये हाथ सूज गया है and she's crying, she's hurt in pain and everything, and I'm looking at the sandwich guy and I'm telling him कि देखो वो हम लोग को फॉलो कर रहा है, वो हम लोग को साइकिल में ये कर रहा है, and he just telling कि तुम लोग का ये सब लड़कियों का लफड़ा ना इधर नहीं लेके आने का, वरना नेक्स्ट टाइम इधर आके सैंडविच नहीं खाने का। And I was like लड़की लोग का लफड़ा क्या है, वो हमारे पीछे आते हैं, वो हमें नाम वाम लेके बुला रहे हैं, he used to cat call us, he used to do ए आइटम, ए छमिया, ए इधर आना, ए, and he used to also use the R word, okay, and back then we didn't even know what that R word means. And it was so triggering at that point that you know every day he was catcalling us and everything. जब उसने उसको dash किया, उसको जब लगा, that's when I got very angry and he was like looking at me and he was like अभी next time तेरे ऊपर भी साइकिल चढ़ा दूंगा। I was like the audacity of this guy to say that. I got so angry कि मेरे हाथ में ना एक बैग था, छोटा सा बैग था. I started hitting him with that bag, and obviously he's stronger to me, he's taller than me. He started hitting me back again. At this point, it's like two people are there on the street. I'm trying to scratch him on his face, trying to gouge his eyes out, trying to hold him by his neck, but I'm shorter than him. So he's trying to pull me by my hair, slap me across the face. I am bloody, he's bloody, my friend is sitting there injured, and nobody, that shopkeeper guy, that man, people are going road mein, they're just looking at us and laughing. Koi aa raha bhi nahi hai samne, and we are just fighting. And after a point, this one man, he's like, "अरे बच्चों को तो चलता रहता झगड़ा झगड़ा." And I was just thinking अंदर से कि it's not a fight. I'm trying to survive. I attacked him because he's trying to attack us. I'm trying to defend me and my friend here. It's not a fight. It's not a chill fight between two friends. One is an attacker and one is trying to survive here. And these people intervene only when they thought that this fight is getting nasty. And I remember taking my friend and going and telling कि अगर तू वापस दिखा मुझे, I am gonna end you. That's about it. And he's like, हाँ चल चल, तेरे से बहुत देखे है, तू लड़की है, तू क्या करेगी and all that stuff. Okay. अब उसके बाद और 2-3 दिन जाता है. Okay. And they are not following me, they are not following my friends or anything. So we think, okay, fine, things are back to normal. And एक दिन क्या होता है, we are having pani puri, we again spot these guys. I'm like, oh my god, like what is he gonna do? I'm also scared, I'm trying to show that I'm very courageous, I can like bash these men, but they have outnumbered us. They can actually do anything to us at this point, because people are not reacting. They have got that courage, that we can do anything to these girls, and that's how they are conditioned. We were having pani puri. They are there. उन्हों purposely वो जगह से 3-4 बार ऐसा जा रहे हैं. And I am like, what is he gonna do? What is he gonna do? मेरा पूरा guard on हो चुका है, मेरे friends का भी guard on हो चुका है. You know what he does, guys? He has stones in his hand, those small stones. वो हमारे तरफ stones full speed में फेंकता है. इतने स्पीड में फेंकते हैं कि हमारे आंखें बच गई, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हमें लग चुका है हाथ में, इधर बेली पे, चेस्ट पे, सर पे, इतने स्पीड में. एंड बहुत सारे बाकी जो कस्टमर्स थे उनको भी लगा, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ पानीपुरी का शॉप, लाइक प्रॉपर शॉप जहाँ पे पानीपुरी एंड ऑल दैट मिलता है. पीपल सिट एंड ईट पानीपुरी, शेव पूरी एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. दिस पानीपुरी वाला गाय इज लाइक, तुम लोग को लगा क्या, उसने तुम लोग को मारा क्या? एंड वी वर लाइक, उसने हम लोग को मारा, वो हम लोग को फॉलो कर रहा है. ही एंड हिज असिस्टेंट, दे बोथ रैन बिहाइंड दोज गाइज. ऐसे स्पीड में गए. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई फेल्ट लाइक आई कुड हैव फेथ इन ह्यूमंस, वो उन लोग के पीछे गए. They grabbed those guys back and हमारे सामने खड़ा किया. यानी बोले इन लोग ही है ना, इन लोग. यानी बोले हाँ काका, ये हम लोगों ने बहुत टाइम से फॉलो कर रहा है, 6 महीने के ऊपर हो गए. बहुत टाइम गया था भाई. इट्स लाइक आई एम नरेटिंग इट लाइक दैट, बट इट वाज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 6 months. आई रिमेंबर दिस वेरी क्लियरली. एंड he was this pani puri bhaiya was like, kaka was like, पुलिस स्टेशन लेके जाने, इन लोग ऐसा नहीं सुधरेंगे, इन लोग, तुम ऐसा कैसा लड़कियों को छेड़ता है. एंड इवन ही हैड डॉटर्स. ये बोले मेरी भी बेटी लोग है यार, छोटे छोटे हम उनको भी समझते हैं, ऐसा ऐसे दरिंदों की वजह से सेफ फील नहीं करते लड़कियां. बेटा आप चलो, आपके पेरेंट्स को भी बुलाओ, मेरा फोन ले लो, आप पेरेंट्स को बुलाओ, हम पुलिस कंप्लेन करेंगे. एंड ही बोले मैं भी मेरे माँ बाप को बुलाऊंगा. यानी उसको ऐसा चमट मिला ना. फर्स्ट टाइम माई सोल फेल्ट सेटिस्फाइड एंड आई एम लाइक, वेयर वर यू मैन, वेयर वर यू from so many days? Like I can legit touch your feet right now. You are God sent, you are a god right now. And उन लोग सबको ये police station लेके जाते हैं. मेरे parents आते हैं. My parents are very angry because they're like, why didn't you tell us before? You look disturbed. It's your boards and you did not even tell us. Just because it's your boards, that doesn't mean that we will not worry about anything else. मेरे friends के parents आते हैं, वो लड़के लोग के parents आते हैं. And his mother, God forbid, seriously, I hate moms like that. Okay, his mom is like, नहीं लड़की लोग ने कुछ किया होगा, मेरे बेटे ने ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं. लड़की लोग नहीं, लड़की लोग आजकल के बहुत चालू होते हैं, ट्यूशन व्यूशन जाते हैं, छोटे छोटे कपड़े सब पहन के जाते हैं, लड़के लोग को पागल करते हैं. एंड द पुलिस मैन, ही इज अ रियली गुड मैन. ही इज लाइक, तो तुम लोग का बेटा लोग पागल क्यों होता है? उन लोग को जो पहनने के पहनने देने का ना. तुम लोग क्या, तुम्हारा बेटा को काम धंधा नहीं है कि बैठ के लड़की लोग के पीछे जा रहे? बेटा ये कब से चल रहा है बताओ. मैंने और मेरे फ्रेंड ने सब कुछ नरेट किया. इवन द पानीपुरी गाय वाज लाइक, ये लड़की बच्ची लोग कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे, बैठ के पानीपुरी खा रहे थे, इसने पत्थर वत्थर फेंक दिया करके. After that, you know, his mom is now like, oh, please don't lodge FIR. My father is furious at this point. My father is this close to beating that guy, you know, but obviously police station hai, rules ko respect karna padega. My papa is like, we are going to file an FIR because this is not right, this can't be happening and everything. Now I don't exactly remember what legal things happened there, but I do know that the police said that there are two options right now. Okay, abhi agar wo jail mein gaya, and his parents were begging my parents and my friends for parents at this point कि please don't do this, हम लोग का बेटे का फ्यूचर ये हो जाएगा, उसका भी एग्जाम्स है, ये है वो है एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड देन समथिंग हैपेंड जिससे ऐसा कुछ वो बंदे के पेरेंट्स को साइन करना पड़ा कि इफ ही इज एनीवेयर अराउंड मी, ही और हिज फ्रेंड्स, देन ही कैन गो इन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम एंड इट्स गोना बी लाइक अ सीरियस केस अगेंस्ट हिम एंड एवरीथिंग. That happens, and after that I never see this guy ever again in my life, thank god. And there are so many instances where even after such things, even after police ka involvement, these guys don't back out, you know, they get triggered, they do something more dangerous to these women and they spoil their lives. So this was another scary incident in my life. Then after this, there was this incident where this guy, you know, I was in ninth and this guy, I was in a convent school, it was a girls' school, but Ajubaju mein there were a lot of co-ed schools, okay? So this guy, he liked me, and you know, via my mutual friends, he got to know about me, my name and everything. So he used to wait outside my school because uska bhi school same time mein chhutta tha. So he used to wait and he used to be like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna go and talk to her. So he used to come and tell me I love you. He used to give me letters, chocolates, roses and everything. And I used to always be like, that's very sweet of you, but I don't like you, you know. For some reason, this idiot, he did not understand my no, and he thought it's a challenge, you know. And even his friends were like, no boli bhai, tere ko no boli, kaise no boli karke. So he used to then purposely try to follow me, you know, like he used to follow me till my house, and then from there he used to follow me till my tuitions. And I used to always be like, listen, like, you know, we can be friends max to max, but you know, don't follow me. But he did not understand the term friendship also, because even while being my friend, which I thought would be a safe way to keep him like from following me, he used to still follow me and everything. After a point, what happened, I remember, so this was a phase when I was living, my chawl was demolished, building ban raha tha, and I was living with my parents at my uncle's house. ठीक है, अभी ये कॉलोनी है बहुत बड़ा, ठीक है, अभी कॉलोनी के बहुत ओल्ड कॉलोनी है, और इसकी बिल्डिंग्स ना, बिल्डिंग्स की सीढ़ियाँ ऐसे स्नेक वाली सीढ़ियाँ, बट इट्स राउंड 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 सीढ़ियाँ, लाइक अ प्रॉपर क्लोज्ड दिस इट इज, ओके, वेरी स्टीप एंड एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, वंस मैं वहाँ से ट्यूशन जाना रहता है मुझे, सो आई एम गेटिंग डाउन ऑफ दीज स्टेयर्स एंड आई सी हिम स्टैंडिंग. At that point, my heart sank, and I just look at him and I'm like, what are you doing here? And he's like, I'm waiting for you. And he had this creepy smile on his face, and I'm like, why are you waiting for me? Like, can you just go? I don't like this. And he's like, no, you're not listening to me, you're not responding to my messages on Facebook, you reject my gifts, my chocolates, my letters and everything. Is there any other guy? I'm like, there is no guy, please just leave me, I need to go to tuitions, I want to study and everything. He's like, you can study later, just say yes right now. And I'm like, no, I've always told you no, so this is my no. And I try to like push him and get down on the stairs. He grabs me from behind and he tries to, you know, hold me so tightly that at this point my core is paining, because he has grabbed it that tightly. If he would have grabbed it any more, like अगर वो और टाइटली ग्रैब करता था, मेरी हड्डियां टूट जाती. आई एम नॉट इवन एग्जैजरेटिंग. एंड आई एम लाइक, जस्ट लीव मी, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, एंड ही इज लाइक, लिसन, आई लव यू, प्लीज डोंट से नो टू मी, ओके, जस्ट गिव मी वन हग, गिव मी वन किस. एंड आई एम लाइक, जस्ट लीव मी. एंड ही ट्राइज टू टर्न मी टुवर्ड्स हिम एंड ही इज ट्राइंग टू पिन मी अगेंस्ट द वॉल एंड ही इज ट्राइंग टू किस मी. एंड आई एम लाइक, जस्ट लीव मी, आई डोंट लाइक इट, जस्ट लीव मी, आई एम नॉट comfortable, please, I'm going to tell your parents. No, how will you tell my parents? Sonali, please say yes. And and at this point I'm not even yelling, because he's so close to me, he's holding me like that. How the hell am I supposed to yell? My throat is like, he has caught my throat at this point. If I yell, I'm scared that what if he just presses my neck? This guy is bigger, stronger, he can do that, and he can just snap my neck like that, you know. And I'm like, please let me go, please let me go. And then I just try to, and I just pinch him जोर से, like मेरा हाथ इसके इधर रहता है, मैं जोर से उसको pinch करती हूँ, and for 2 seconds he just leaves me like that, and I just run and I run. I don't go to the tuitions, okay. मैं जाती हूँ and मैं जाके सिर्फ एक जगह बैठ जाती हूँ, ठीक है. And I'm like, I can't go to tuitions like that. And I'm crying, I'm crying. I'm just sitting and crying. And I'm just seeing Aju Baju mein ki, is he anywhere around? Is he anywhere around? Is he following me or something like that? After this, I tell this to my classmate, this is what happened. And she's like, you know what, we need to tell teacher. I'm like, no, you can't tell teacher because it's not a school matter. Even if we tell teacher. And back then, I had few good teachers, but the teacher I had tabhi mere class mein, she was not a good teacher. She used to character assassinate all the girls, and if she comes to know something like that, she will blame me only. So I didn't tell her. But me and my friend, we were like, you know what, we need to find out where exactly he lives. Like, we knew he lived in this place, but we didn't know where he which room number, his parents and everything. So we were trying to find out that, like, what happens, this, that, we just need to tell his parents. But I was again thinking that what if my parents come to know. And this was this was the first incident, right? Iske baad those Mawali guys ka incident hua in my 10th. This is 9th, right? So I was very scared to tell my parents, because if they come to know that he's giving me chocolates and everything, and they will see, the thing is now my parents will understand, but there are many people who will try to brainwash them, and parents kabhi kabhi influence ho jate hai by other people. So I didn't want them to think that I'm having an affair or something like that. फिर उनको मेरा घूमना फिरना भी बंद करवा सकते थे. You never know. So I was like, I'm not going to tell anyone. I'm just going to tell his parents. कुछ दिनों बाद ये बंदे का मैसेज मेरे को फेसबुक में आ जाता है. He starts apologizing to me because he understood that I'm going to via उसको पता चल गया. I don't know how, because as I said, we had mutuals. So I have told this to a few of the people. I'm like, I'm going to tell his parents. I'm going to screw him because this is not right. And he then messages me saying that, listen, if my dad comes to know, he's gonna like stop me from playing football. He's not gonna let me go to school or anything like that. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. I will end myself if this happens. My life is spoiled. This. I'm like, you know what? I don't care. I'm just gonna let your parents know because it's not right. You should be thankful I'm not going to the police. He's like, please, I beg you. And बार बार वो यही बोल रहा था कि he's gonna just end himself. And I was like, if he does this, I'm gonna have that guilt, that I did end somebody indirectly. And I don't know, I was so naive back then. Maybe purposely bol raha tha, to emotionally blackmail me or something like that, but I didn't give in and I was okay, fine, I'm not going to tell. But after this, you should not be around me. If you are around me, if you follow me, if anything like that, I'm going to go and tell your parents. And he's like, yeah, I'm sure I won't do that. And after that, he did not, couple of years ago, he reached out to me on Instagram saying that, hey, you're a content creator now, you're doing so well. I still feel very bad about that thing that I did. I was a kid, I did not know any better. And I just messaged him saying that I wish you all the best in life, but never ever reach out to me. Never message me. Don't even have the audacity to think that you can reach out to me, okay? And I just blocked them because I don't care if you're a good person now, if you're a saint now. You were a demon back then. You were a monster. And for me, you will always be a monster. But yeah, these were certain incidents that happened in my life. It shaped my life actually, because shaped my life in a bad way, by the way, because that's how I developed social anxiety. That's why I hate going out in the public, even going anywhere, dressing up. I just get stressed out, even if I have to go from this place to that place, and if there are people staring at me, I get so uncomfortable. I'm like, bhai, I just can't do this. So I think this is a scar that's going to be in my life, and that's why I want to continuously seek therapy, but why nahi ho pa raha hai because of my schedule and everything. But yeah, these were certain instances. Again, as I said, I'm sorry if it made you uncomfortable or if it triggered you, but I just had to get it out of my chest. And if you went through something similar, do share your story in the comments, because we have to let it out, in one way or the other. And just stay safe, if you're a young girl watching this video. I know there are a lot of subscribers जो teenagers है, जो school में जाते हैं. So if you're watching this video, I'm very glad कि अभी वो concept introduce हुआ है of good touch, bad touch, and बहुत सारे examples, live methods दिखाए जाते हैं कि क्या करना है. But just stay safe out there, speak out, trust your family. Don't be like me thinking कि अरे यार मेरे parents चिल्लाएंगे ज़रूर चिल्लाएंगे, शायद कैसे भी रिएक्ट करेंगे, आई डोंट नो कैसा रिएक्ट करेंगे, बट एटलीस्ट लेट पीपल नो दैट दिस इज हैपनिंग टू यू. इट्स बेटर टू लेट पीपल नो देन सफर इन साइलेंस, and just stay safe out there are predators everywhere. So all you can do is keep your guard on, be safe, and let's hope for the best. I can't even assure anybody that you're going to be all right, you're going to be safe, because इतने सारे incidents होते रहते हैं कि you never know who's next, but just try being safe, okay? Try being healthy, try being safe, and yeah, just take care. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.